And as former President Trump returns to a lower Manhattan courtroom, he is also weighing in on the House Speaker debacle, saying many people have asked if he would be interested in the job.
A lot of people have asked me about it. I'm focused. You know, we're leading. I don't know you. I'm sure you don't read too much in the papers, but we're leading by like 50 points for president. You know, my focus is totally on that. If I can help them during the process, I would do it. But we have some great people in the Republican Party that could do a great job as Speaker.
Meanwhile, it is day 3 in the civil fraud trial against the former president. Trump now under a gag order by the judge, preventing him from talking about court employees. That did not stop him from posting about the case again on Truth Social this morning, once again calling it a witch hunt brought by the, quote, corrupt attorney general. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett is live in Lower Manhattan with the latest. NJ?
And yes, the judge yesterday imposed a limited, partial gag order, but anybody thinking that the former president would be content to be seen and not heard would be mistaken. Yes, Mr. Trump left Trump Tower once again this morning to attend a trial he is not required to attend. He arrived at the courthouse to breathe fire at New York State Attorney General Letitia James for a third straight day. Judge Arthur Engoron's gag order applies specifically to any statements about the judge's staff. That after Trump's social media post yesterday portraying the judge's law clerk as some sort of Democratic operative, a post the former president has since deleted. Judge has already ruled that Trump and his associates grossly overvalued his assets and his net worth by up to billions of dollars. The trial here is to determine what harm that caused and what the penalty should be. The state is seeking $250 million in fines. Now, for Trump, being here assures him national exposure he might not get on the campaign trail. We're going to have more on that in a moment. First, his comments here this morning.
You borrow money, you pay it back, and you get sued by a political animal. And that's where we are. And that's the way it goes. And that's why New York State is failing, and that's why companies are leaving by the thousands.
He's controlling the court of public opinion. Facts don't matter. What matters is Trump. The same man who controlled the front pages of the tabloids in New York for years. Whatever he did made the front page. That was the wood, as they call it in the news business. This is the same man that is now making the wood nationally. Why? He is the story, not the charges, not the allegations, not the judge. He's the story, and he's directing the outcome.
And testimony continued here this morning from Trump's former longtime accountant, Donald Bender, who underwent withering cross-examination here yesterday.